Michael's here.
Is it?
Trouble's near.
Trouble's near.
And we are going to do some work on Molly today. Got some welding to get on with. We have to, it's the sills, so the back of the sill and some of the arch. Just needs welding up for the MOT.
Body filler for holes.
You're not supposed to show that. So the rust is just on this sill and the rear arch, top of the arch a little bit. The chassis is spotless, absolutely spotless.
Going live. Yeah, welcome to Underbody Protection. The home of rebuilding the Pajero.
Out comes the welder.
Apparently you shouldn't be looking at the light, so you have to look away or look through the camera. How did the weld go?
I'd say it's going alright.
Yep.
Probably see over there, just about. We'll do a close-up later. Had to weld a little patch in the middle of the sill, and then the bit at the end, near the rear arch.
I must say it looks pretty smart. Look at that. Looking good.
So the sill is welded up now.